Welcome to Programmers Technology. My name is Muhammad. Today I'll discuss you what is programming. Programming is most important tool. It is the way how to think and make up programs. The world you are seeing everywhere, everything is programming, because when you are create something, first the step is you must program it. How to think. Programming means to perform a task. It's okay, that's program. To perform some tasks. That task like mathematical tasks, geometrical tasks, or linear algebra, or another tasks. In if we see in the field of computer science, programming, what's programming? How to do these tasks. Programming is like for computer languages, how to solve that program. Computer languages is like C language, C++, C sharp, or any other all programming languages. How to program something using computer languages like C sharp or another languages.